and I'll be one of speakers at this year Dental World Congress in Budapest, Hungary. I would like to introduce myself and who I am and what I do. So I would like to teach you how to do tooth segmentation and how to extract the donor digitally, have it printed and put it in the place prior extraction. That's why the name of presentation is guided, because everything we will cover would be guided. It is the most important thing in autotransplantation. It's not difficult. There are some steps we have to take, and I will go exactly through each one of them. I have to say thanks to one of my mentors, Francesca Belia, whom I learned a lot of stuff during my master degree in Barcelona. And I'm sure that there will be a lot of stuff you are going to learn from this presentation. Okay, be that way.